Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the NASDAQ futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, welcome. Give me a 777 in the chat if you guys can hear me. You guys can see me clearly. Just do a little sound check real quick. Awesome. Welcome to another Hyperdrive Live, wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are live again. It is Wednesday. Welcome to our YouTube community. If this is your first time, I am Coach CJ, your trading coach. In this session, we like to keep it stupid simple. Just match our colors, take our entries, and manage our trades the exact same way every single time. If after watching you want to check us out even further, get a part of our private community that's on Zoom, feel free to get involved on hyperdriveacademy.com. For now, let's jump into these markets. News-wise, today. All right, we had 8:30 in red, 9:45, 10 o'clock. All right. Already got my 8:30 red boxed up. We're trading below it right now. We're in alignment for sales. I am going to hold off on sales for right now. See if we start to maybe flip here. We did trade below and are trading below currently. And structures maybe shifting, so we'll see how we open up, but right now I am going to hold off on sales, so to see if we do get this to flip back to the top side, to the top of that news candle. Understood. What's up, Colton? What's up, Emma? Christine, George, good morning. We still got a minute before the market opens. All right. So just to repeat, for those of you guys that just hopped on the Zoom, I'm holding off on our sales for right now, as we had an 8:30 red photo news candle. I want to see how we open up here, and also if we are going to maybe start buying up here and go towards the high of this news candle. So I'm going to hold off on sales for right now. Pretty big open there.
So again, I'm not going to take any sales. If you are going to be not waiting for this potential news reversal, your first opportunity would be 900. All right, let's see what we get going on here. We have news again at 9:45 and 10 o'clock and 10:30. What's up, Carl? What's up, Bob? Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. No session tomorrow. What do you guys got going on? What's your plans for the big festive holiday? Hosting and cooking? Everything? Is that what you do every year? Do you always host? Yeah. Yeah. I'm like you, George. I just bring an empty stomach. We're hosting this year, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, I mean, you know what, Jimmy? You did ask me that yesterday, and I completely ignored you. Not on purpose. I was actually gonna give you an answer. I just forgot. 4 p.m. So feel free to come on by. We need to be finding out what Christine's address is. Yeah, my parents are coming up. They will be up here tomorrow morning. Sister-in-law is flying in. Be here tonight. Gonna have a house full over here. Caden is very excited. He has been counting the days. Every day is it Thanksgiving yet? Is it Thanksgiving yet? It's finally here, buddy. We are just waiting here for those that may just be hopping on. Market just opened 5 minutes ago. Typically, we'll be looking for a sale right here at this opportunity at 900, but we are waiting for a potential news reversal. So waiting for the market to give us a little bit more information. Uh, no, not yet. We'll see. It really just depends on how far it pulls back for me. I would want to see it get back into here a little bit more before trying 850. This was a pretty big opening candle, and it really hasn't been squeezed in at all yet. And it didn't continue to just fall. Like it found a bottom right here. Currently, this seems to be the bottom of this push at what's this? 868.75. So typically, if we're seeing the market wanting to just fall, it will create a big candle like this, but it wouldn't hesitate, right? This just got slammed on right here at this point, and ever since then we've been rejecting it. So this is right now showing as a strong support, which gives a little play towards 850 if we get there. But I would like to see this actually push this up a little bit higher, if not completely flip it to the buys, like I would love to have for the top of this news candle. This isn't that big of a range up here. It's only 20 points, so we'll see. I want more information right now. Why'd you ask that, George? Oh, because Jimmy's screaming. Okay, I got it now. Does that make sense, George? But what I was talking about. Oh, Juan's in the chat in the waiting room. What's up, Tabitha? What's up, Jay Silver? Yeah, so I'm hoping we get into this 930 candle a little bit. Either we're going to attempt to flip and maybe see structure fall back down, and then we can look to maybe attack on the sales, or the news that's coming in here in 6 minutes, and then again in 16 minutes, or 21 minutes, will give us, something. See if I can show you just one little example. I think it happened last week where you get those long runs without hesitation that I'm talking about. Like this one up then down, but even this is actually a good example, a decent example. Like big 930 candle, right? This one continued, but it hit that floor right there and just starting to climb back up. Something like this, if it's ready to go, it's not going to do that. It's going to do something like that. Possibly setting up for a liquidity grab. But is it really grabbing at anything right now? Kinda. Yeah. Hasn't really hit 850 since closing back above it. Could come to 850 and bounce off, which is the number in question right now that we're talking about. Yeah, 850 is open right now. We'll see. See what happens. Also depends on where we grab. Yeah. Yeah. It's more than, it was the last time we were down in this area here. So yeah, I agree. I love the dialogue. I wish you guys would do this more. Thank you, George. This is a bearish engulfing candle. Fake out. Didn't continue dropping. Got violated. Let's see how this plays up the middle. Yeah, it's starting to kind of accumulate right here in this area. All right, so we got this first set of news coming here in 40 seconds. Static type clicking. Can you still hear it? heard that. Well, we are moving off of this area right now. Let me know if you're still here. We are moving off this area right now, middle of this fake out down here. Okay, thank you. Technically, we still haven't even had an entry on the sale side if we wanted one. It almost touched 900, but alrighty. All right. So, what do you guys think we're gonna do? We're gonna buy up, or are we going to drop out of here? What's the prediction? We still got news at 10. 10's a red folder and an orange folder. So, and we got good old Rude Oil coming in there at 10:30. Upgraded to orange. George says we're staying sideways. Not gonna get anything interesting. Steph thinks we're going down. Amy thinks we're going up. Paula thinks we're going down. I love it. Don't you love it that on most days we don't have to think about anything? Because that's trading. That's literally what trading. You can literally show 10 people the same thing without this type of guide on there, and you'll get 10 different responses. I think it's going up because of this. I think it's going down. Well, I just think it's going to go sideways. Well, I think it's going to go up and then it's going to come down. Like, like nobody knows. It's all about prediction. Jay Silver says he thinks it's gonna sell. Well, That's why you go with what it's showing you. Did it finally touch 8? Nope, still didn't touch 900. We still technically wouldn't be in here yet. I like that candle. I like this pullback. I know that I think Ken said that was the 50% retracement off of the open candle. So it's probably more like the 382 off of the initial of the drop, which was up here. Now the question is, yeah, it's 382 for that. Question is this a fake out as well? And I think 850 is going to be the tail. Because now that we close below here, we really shouldn't be getting back above this high or this midline here. So let's see what the next couple candles does. Nope. You gotta go strong. Can't hesitate. This closes below 850. I'll take 850. Nope. You guys hear me? Oh, that was weird. Okay, there we go. I don't know what things just kind of froze up real quick. All right, I'm gonna give 850 a stab. I'm set up for 850. Almost in. Come on, a little bit. All right, I'm in. I'm in at 850. Which is technically our first opportunity of the day anyway, so it kind of worked out. We got our clothesline in place here. Oh, my YouTube did cut off. Something did happen on my internet. See if it's back. I'm watching this. If it closes above that red line, I'm exiting out of this trade. We're above it right now with 12 seconds to go. Oh, YouTube is back. We're above it right now with 5 seconds to go. All right, I'm out. 5-point loss. This wick came in here and put that bottom, and right now we're supporting off of it. We got more news in 2.5 minutes. Let's see what 10 o'clock brings us. Yeah. I agree with that, Jimmy. She's inconsistent. Big drop, slow down, another drop, slow down, another drop, slow down. It is creating lower structure, so in order to really see her going bullish, we would need to get above this high at minimum. Now, what we do when we get in there, we got all this imbalance, so we could drop off of it. If it can climb up to here like this, see what it does at 900. If it really starts to close above 900, like I said, it needs to then deal with this middle area. I'm also not opposed to another stab at 850. We got the news coming in here in a minute, so we get an aggressive drop through this pullback here. I'm not opposed to another opportunity. We only lost 5 points. How many points did you guys lose on that one? If you closed. Yeah, very minimum. 7. Mine is $57 dollars, so almost 6 points. 120. You better get on that trigger finger there, Amy. It's a lot. That's too. I mean, not 120. 12. It's too many. All right, here's that 10 o'clock news. We got 25 seconds. We're playing around 850 right now. All right, we just closed below. I didn't get anything set up yet. Kind of hesitated. Let's see how this plays. If we close below this 141 area, I'll put it in, and if it comes back up for me, then I'll be in it. If not, It is what it is. All right, so I'll put it in now. I know you're in Juan, so anybody else may be in. I do have a limit set now at 850. Might not come back up there though. All right, I'm in. And we got a clothesline on here. It's pretty much the same as the old one. I'm not a fan of that candle. We need to close bearish on this one. I know, right? This is exactly what it looked like. Yeah. Might be closing this out. Got 18 seconds left. Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking, Juan. Let's see. We're still in the game right now. I wanted to close red. Oof. Are we in or out? And did close red. Let's see what this next one does. We're still in this trade. All right, 13 seconds left here. Oof. Oof. All right, I'm staying in it. Can we get a bearish engulfing here? Mm. Interesting. We did get a bearish engulfing though. Can we get a continuation to the downside? Not a fan of that. Gotta get back below this 841 area, or she is going to go up. Still in it. Is the market telling me that we're waiting on rude oil to move? We are out of here. Bye bye. Closed. Down 13 points. She's about to go up for a little bit. Same, Carl. 13 points. I don't want to play this game with you right now, market. Make a decision. Do not want to play this game with you. Okay. We didn't close back below 850, so that's good. So I would rather see her go up at this point. YouTube up. Have a great Thanksgiving. All right. If this closes like this, I'll replay 850. It is going to close like that. Close below 41. Okay. Let's see if it gives us an opportunity. It might just leave us. 850 is set. Cancel that. I'm not a fan of this. Not a fan of this. I'm gonna give this until 10:30 when we got root oil, and if we're selling, it's fine. It's gonna sell without me. This is just giving me vibes right now. So I got nothing set up here. Have you guys heard that static again at all? I haven't noticed. Okay. Emma held through. BE, nice. Juan held too, nice. BE, I'm sure. There's that 382 pullback fib level. Oops. All right, might have missed this one. Daily low on here, 755. Nice, Jalen took TP on the stream at 40 points. I'm down 13 points today. I'll give 800 a shot if it closes below. I'm in. If it works out, I'm going to TP it at 50. Yeah, you should have 25 points locked in from 850. Or 10, depending on how you want to manage that first movement. But at very minimum, if it was me in this trade, I would be using that entry that we just took at 800 is literally the clothesline of your current trade. So if we close above that, I'll close this trade out. We shouldn't if we're in a healthy market. Halfway through this candle, we're above our clothesline right now. We need a nice wick back down. Almost there. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Close it below. Good. Now, bearish engulfing. See you, Tabitha. Happy Thanksgiving. Ten seconds to go. We're above the clothesline at the moment. Close below it. Close below it. Close below it. I'm out. All right, she got it. I'm down 27 points. Even on a run, we couldn't grab something. So if I was in this trade, I would be closing this out as well and taking the 43 points. If you're holding per normal, then you should be at 25 locked in around right here. This is some hump day type of movement. Like it drops and then moves sideways. It drops sideways, drops sideways, drops sideways. This is the cleanest drop outside of the open. This one was decent. But from just red, 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 it was the cleanest drop. All right, we are not live the rest of the week. That does not mean trading won't be happening. No trading tomorrow, for real though. Friday, we're not. I wouldn't host a session anyway because I have family in town. But we have no news on Friday, so I won't see you guys again. Wow, it's December. December 1st is, or that's Sunday. December 2nd. It's my dad's birthday. We'll be back live Monday, December 2nd. Yeah, tomorrow's a bank holiday. Thanksgiving. No trading tomorrow. Oops. I know, right, Jimmy? Seriously. I'm not taking this again. I've seen this story before. I just don't trust this move right now. So I'd rather just stay out of it. 27 points down for the day. Not a big deal. Up on the week. You want to know what I think is going to happen? Which completely could be wrong. I think that it's just going to end up buying up. But I think that it's going to happen probably like, if this next 30 minutes can be strong, going to happen at the top of the hour. If not, it's going to be a late afternoon move. And the reason why I'm getting those vibes is mainly because of the way this has gone down. It's gone down in like baby steps. So it's giving a trend. It's giving a trend line move. It looks something like this. Something like that. And these baby steps that it's making, like it might reach here. Like one of these points, one of these baby steps is going to be the last low on this move. And I think this thing is going to start seeing it do something like this. Now, whether it gets into here and then falls, since I'm pretty much left all this from the opening candle, still never touch 900, is a completely different subject. I know facts, Juan. I mean, you follow that bad boy. I just felt like if I was in up here, I would have a different tune probably because I would be up 43 points. But I don't know. What did I say yesterday in the chat? It's all about being more right than you are wrong, and being okay with the responsibility if you're wrong or if you're right. This could be one of those days where I'm pulling out unnecessarily. Or it could be one of those days where I'm 100% right. This story that I've seen before is about to play again. Time will tell. But for now, my money is not going to be involved in it. Make sense? So we'll leave this like this and pick it back up on Friday in the group chat. But not on a live session. Have an amazing Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you for watching on YouTube. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff for me. Appreciate you. Those of you guys in our private community, I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know if you need anything from me. Hit me up on Telegram. Have a great Thanksgiving. Stay safe. Be full. But make sure you move around a little bit. Don't fall asleep on the couch after eating. I'll talk to y'all Friday. Peace out for now.
up with them up and bucket like the lost got the combo of Egypt. Only God knows where we're stuck. Hieroglyphics, never gonna say fake. I wanna be down in your south.